Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I just did a pour and this is the paints that I kind of tipped off it. So I poured them onto here, and as you can see they've made a bit of a pattern, which is quite nice, but I'm going to pour over the top. So what I have here is red, bright red that is, and gold. Who doesn't like gold? Some black, and some white. We'll start again. Red, gold, black, and I might put some more red on here, and a bit of gold, and I might just, keep that white for a minute and see how that goes. So here we go. I'm just going to pour it out and see what we end up. I'll make a little twisties here. Okay, so that's looking pretty interesting. Might stretch this out as well. Still some nice colour in there. Probably end up tilting that off anyway. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find just below, show more down under the video. I'll put a little bit of gold in there. And you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there. And we'll have a little, back you go. The gold is really bright. Very, very bright. And down this way. I don't want to lose those spots there, I can see. It looks like I might. Yeah, they went. There's a bit of a... Okay, so we end up with rather a lot of red. Let's bring in the patterns down a bit. So that's certainly different, she says. I'm just wondering what I can do with it, and I don't think I can do a lot. Whilst I do like the gold, the rest of it leaves me cold. So I'm going to swipe, and I think I might just put the gold on. just wondering, I think I might swipe with black, you know, so I'm going to pour some of this white on. And I'm going to pour almost just put it all up. Here's hoping it doesn't wreck it, but not much black, I'm afraid, but that's okay too. Okay, so wiping off the hands and getting off the cloth. I always find myself holding my breath as I do this. And now down this one. Yes, most definitely. A good call, I think. Very good. Now, I might just run it down this way. See if I can't get some little stalagmites. And I did. I did. Very nice. Take it back. Just a tad. Oh, that is really nice. A little bit of white on that corner. That. All right. Going to just torch it. I'll wipe my hands up and see if I have any more cells, and then work out if it needs anything else to be done to it. But it's really very pretty. look at these lovely ones. Where's my, see if I can join them up. That looks a bit better. And goodness, the gold is spectacular, absolutely spectacular. And there's some nice black here too. Probably should go on here. Get a bit more. Okay, I like that. I might just run the torch down where I put that on and see that I'm not leaving air bubbles. There were some air bubbles, I saw them pop. So I'm just looking now to see what angle that this should go on, because it's really, really pretty. I think you're looking at the better angle actually. I think you are, but anyway, I'll bring you down to have a look and see what you think. Take you around. What I've been looking at, and as you can see, it's got a lot of cells, and I don't know if I can pick these up all that well. Oh yes, you can see they're like stars, and the gold shiny as. If you haven't already clicked on subscribe, please do, and the little bell, and you'll be notified when I put up videos. You're more than welcome to click on the link to Australia Art Dreaming. Come and join us on Facebook. And please give this the thumbs up. Oh, I greatly appreciate that when people do for me. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed yourself, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.